Now, I actually don't think these guys are too far off. Bitcoin to 150,000 is kind of where I've been predicting, and I do want you guys to know that that is a prediction. I'm not a fortune teller. Nobody can see the future. But $150,000 Bitcoin is kind of where I expect Bitcoin to go during this upcoming cycle. 150 to 200. So this article is not that far off there, but Wall Street Pepe, a 100x gainer. If that happens, we are going to see some extreme wealth creation. And I'm right along for the ride because I got a lot of Wall Street Pepe. Let's talk about it in this video. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. And as you can see, Bitcoin to 150, and will Wall Street Pepe ride the 100x wave? Let's see what these guys have to say about it. But I do want to say, if at any time during the video you are interested in buying, make sure you use that link down in the description below. It's going to pull up this website right here. From there, it is super simple, safe, easy to buy with crypto or buy with card. Now, I like to buy with crypto, and it's a very simple process. If you guys need a full walkthrough tutorial of how to scan the QR code, connect your wallet, confirm your wallet, all of that stuff, all you got to do is type in how to buy Wall Street Pepe on my channel, and it's going to show you the entire process. So it's very easy if you haven't done it before or if you haven't done it in a long time. Now, before we get back into the numbers here, before we look at what Wall Street Pepe is all about, let's look at a 100x potential increase. Now, it says that James Jack, a Glassnode analyst, has predicted that Bitcoin could cross the $150,000 mark in 2025. This prediction is inspired by the token's 2016 to 17 rally, when Bitcoin moved from a range of 18 to 1600, or from 800 to 1600 to $19,000. If Bitcoin follows the same pattern, it can consolidate up until May, after which a significant bull run could be seen. And look, I don't exactly know everything that this guy is pushing and looking into his analysis, I should say. But if you look at the previous cycles, and this is what I've done before, Bitcoin from essentially 20 to 70. Bitcoin doing the same thing, maybe slowing down a little bit because the market's saturating. You would take Bitcoin from roughly that 60, 70 up to about 150 to 200. Now, that follows roughly the same pattern, right? Nobody can predict the pattern perfectly, but it allows for a saturation of the market with a slightly less percentage gain, but also includes the new institutional buyers, buyers from all of the ETFs that are being created there. So there's a lot going into this bull market cycle, which makes it very difficult to predict with any level of certainty. Now, it says that Bitcoin, crypto trader, said on X that people who think that Bitcoin is topped out at the current levels are going to miss out on significant gains. I agree. So what is Wall Street Pepe? It's inspired by the OG Pepe meme and looks to end the dominance of crypto whales in the industry. This project focuses on building information-driven community where all token holders will get access to exclusive insider trading knowledge, alpha calls, and strategies. And that reminds me the most of Wall Street Bets, right? If you guys remember Wall Street Bets back in 2020 and 2021, it was essentially this exclusive group where anybody who saw the stocks that were talked about in that group bought those stocks and they soared in value. That's what Wall Street Pepe is building here. But they're doing so in the crypto space. And the crypto space is a lot easier to see gains than the stock market, because we're not talking about multi-billion-dollar companies, $100 billion, trillion-dollar companies. We're talking about $100,000 meme coins, $1 million meme coins. There's a drastic difference in the amount of money that needs to flow in order to see gains there. Now, however, if WEPE's popularity amidst the crypto enthusiasts is anything to go by, its pre-sale will most likely be sold out before the clock runs out. This may be your only chance to buy WEPE. Now, it's available for $3,665 right now, and you can check out our guide right there if you need help buying it, or you can, of course, YouTube how to buy Wall Street Pepe on my channel. The idea of empowering small investors has drawn in new and inexperienced crypto investors towards WEPE. The days when a small group of whales could control the market with insider news are seemingly gone. WEPE aims to now put the power in the hands of small traders like you and I. I agree. But you know who else is pouring in? This is very important to me as well. Whales are pouring in. Whales don't go out and buy something if they don't think that it has potential. Wall Street Pepe had a $385,000 buy come in just 47 hours ago. Guys, this is incredible. And I want to highlight this buy because it's not the only one. It's a very large one, absolutely, but it's not the only one. When Wall Street Pepe was doing about $6 million a day in pre-sale activity, now it's doing between 1 and 2 million. It's picking back up its pace. All of those investors, or the majority of those investors, were taking profits in Pepe Unchained, and they were moving over to Wall Street Pepe. That tells me that these guys already know the playbook. They know how to go out there and see a 5, 7x gain, take some profits, and go rinse and repeat and do it all over again. That is what I expect to be happening in Wall Street Pepe. Potentially even better, though, because meme coin search volume is at an all-time high, and we're seeing how to buy crypto ticking up to the highest levels that we have seen since the 2021 bull market. We are back. The only thing that you have to answer is, are you taking advantage? Are you grabbing this opportunity? Are you buying? My answers are yes. Yes, 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 and yes. I am taking advantage of this bull market like I have never done before. I want to know what you guys are doing down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.